Hello everyone. Once again, this is Ma'am Asenho of Small Terrible YT channel. Today, I am going to teach you how to make a widget for your Kotobee author. Alright, so first, you have to open this website bookwidgets.com. Again, bookwidgets.com. Alright, then you are going to create your account in here, right? So take note, we have temporarily extended the free trial period to 60 days in support of these measures. Alright, so take note, we only have 60 days. Since I have started using this yesterday, I have only 59 days. So for these 59 days, I am going to utilize everything in here. Alright, so I'm going to open my account. Alright, so there's the notification you have 59 days left in your trial. Alright, so there are others. After the 59 days, they are going to create another account. I don't know if I will do the same. Alright, so you are going to click widgets. Okay, widgets. Alright, so these are the widgets that I have already made. Now, for the sake of illustrations, I am going to create a new widget. Just click the create. Okay, let's go back. Just click the create new widget here. Take note, make sure to have first your account. Okay, you are going to create an account of this website, bookwidgets.com. This is online, by the way. Create new widget this time, and you are going to select. Okay, so you are going to select which would you like to use. Okay, for example, I am going to use this jigsaw puzzle. Alright, just click on that. Alright, it's loading up. Alright, so if you have that this screen already, okay, just select the image that you want to use. Okay, so let's just select this one. Let's try this one. Okay, open. Then after clicking open, it will prompt to this uploading. Okay, let's just wait. According to our speaker in the webinar, patience is a virtue because we really experience an online traffic. That is the reason. Hopefully, this image will be uploaded successfully. Let's just wait and wait. Oh, it takes time for us to wait for this. Let's try to reload. Let's select again. Anyway, let's just use another widget. Okay, create new widget. So say for example, we'll have this memory game. Okay, so we are going to have that as our widget. So that could be our activities to be used in our ebook. Okay, so the title, for example, is scientific method concepts. Alright, then after that title, okay, you are going to use colors. Okay, let's select, okay, colors and symbols. Then the reward word is congratulations. Alright, then let's have the pairs. Just click. So for example, we'll have text to text. So text for the first card, for example, hypothesis. For the second card, it would be, for example, testable statement. Alright. Then after that, you just click add another card pair. Text to text. If you want both are text. For example, manipulated variable. Manipulated variable. Then independent variable. Alright, then add another card pair. Still the same, text to text. So for example, responding variable. So you'll have dependent variable. Then add another card pair if, for example, you want to have image to text. Alright, so text is, for example, testing the hypothesis. So the image, okay, you are going to choose image, okay. Oh, it took us a long time. Alright, let's, I guess, go back. Okay, let's have add card pair, which is text na lang. Okay, let's have, for example, observations. Then we have here lead to questions. Alright, so we're done with that. Okay, localization, English, design. So you need to select image for in here. Choose image. So for example, my image from my Bitmoji. Hopefully this will be uploaded immediately. As they have said, patience is a virtue. Alright, so it's already uploaded. But why is it not moving? You need to really select an image here, guys, because if you want select an image in here, you will experience an error later on. Oh, what happened? Let's select another image. For example, let's have the DepEd logo. Let's try. because we cannot download this, guys. If it's not complete, we'll experience a lot of error. Alright, so it's okay now. So we have already the image, cover image. You really have to have the cover image. Let's have the preview before we download it. Preview first. Alright, so that will. Oh, alright. Congratulations. So that's it. So after that, you just have to click there. Then as you can see, there is the button there. Um, it's like a wheel. Alright, gulong. Or shall we say this is the gear icon. Just click download. Alright. So we have downloaded it already. As you can see, it appears there, widget. Okay, so all you have to do is you show that, and let's just rename this as, okay, rename it, because there are a lot of widget. Memory game, scientific method. Alright, so your widget now is ready. So the moment you click on widget, okay, the moment you click on widget, okay, you will immediately be prompted in this area here. Okay, so I hope you learned. Okay, I hope you learned how to use widget or how to make widget. Okay, so there are a lot of widget here. Okay, I have created a lot of widget already, so you can select. Okay, take note for math, there are arithmetic. Okay, there are math here, and later on I will also teach you how to use the equation tool in the Kotobee author. It's a very useful tool for especially for the science and math teachers who are bombarded with a lot of equations, balancing chemical equations, and so on. Alright, there are also charts, pictures, videos. You just have to select explore. Alright, so thank you so much. Again, don't forget to subscribe. A small terrible. Thank you.